Hey everyone, just a really quick video about the Webquest that I have assigned for you guys this week. When you look at this week's grid, you'll notice that one of the things that I have you do is the Of Mice and Men Webquest, and I talk about this in the video intro for John Steinbeck and Of Mice and Men. The Webquest is just to do some background research on the time period where the novel was set. So when you click on this link here in your grid for this week, it's going to take you to the Webquest, and you'll notice that there are some ads on some of the pages, so just ignore those. It's a free service, so they have some ads on there to try to generate some income. But you'll get to the welcome page, and it just tells you what the Webquest is about. And then to go through the Webquest, you're just going to click on the tabs over on the left-hand side, read each of those, and then move to the next one. So you have the welcome page, the intro, the tasks, process, evaluation, conclusion, and that's really as far as you'll need to go. You'll be answering a 3-2-1 on our Google Classroom page. Those questions are not posted on the Webquest anywhere. They are on our Google Classroom, so you'll need to proceed there once you work your way through the Webquest. And if you have any questions, just let me know.